tourist favorite supermarket in Bangkok. It is one of the accessible supermarket for tourists in the area, where you can find wide variety of local and international products that caters to various needs such as groceries, household essentials, beverages, snacks, frozen goods, clothes, money exchange, perfumes, and many more. That is why this branch is always crowded.
Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and pin the notification bell so that you will be updated for more exciting videos.